We finally have the keys to our first apartment here in Spain. But now that we actually have a place to live, we have almost nothing to put in it. Our apartment came semi-furnished, but there's still a lot of things we need before this place truly starts to feel home. So today we're heading to IKEA here in Valencia for the very first time to see what we can find. So let's go shopping. Getting there was actually pretty easy. We just followed Google Maps and took public transport, and once you get close, you absolutely cannot miss it. It's basically this massive building covered in IKEA's iconic blue and yellow, so we made it. Now let's see what they have inside. One of the first things that immediately caught our attention was the lighting section. I got really excited when I saw pieces from the IKEA PS 2026 collection here. And if you want something smaller but still really colorful, look at these portable lamps. You can adjust the brightness with just a tap, and they're rechargeable too, which makes them pretty easy to move around the apartment. We also found this red portable lamp. I love the color, and you can adjust it into different angles depending on where you need the light. And then there's another one in the same line, also red, also rounded, and even cheaper. The globe is actually supposed to sit on the pink stand, but you get the idea. We also found this bright yellow one. It comes in beige too if you want something more neutral, but personally, I'll go for the yellow. Now this one is a little funky. It's a globe lamp with pink spots all over it. It's just really interesting and cute. And of course, one of IKEA's more recognizable lamps, the donut lamp. You can either place it on the surface or hang it on the wall. I really love the warm glow it gives off. It instantly makes the space feel more relaxing and cozy. Moving to floor lamps, just look at the colors of this viral PS 2026 floor lamp. I personally love the blue and burgundy. This one also caught our attention. I love how the fabric diffuses the light. It gives the room a really soft glow. We also really like this red floor lamp. I love the style, the color, and the overall vibe. But one thing I don't love are the exposed wires. Personally, visible wires just make everything look a little messy to me. And finally, we found this chrome floor lamp. This one is definitely more minimalist compared to everything else we've been looking at. It just looks really modern and sleek. Clearly, choosing a lamp is going to be more harder than I thought. We also found these paper ceiling lamps. If only we could easily change the light fixtures in our apartment because we are obsessed with these. We also looked at some rugs, and this rug immediately caught our attention. It has this Persian-inspired pattern that feels a little vintage. And I like that the colors are muted enough that it won't completely take over the room. IKEA actually had quite a few colorful funky vases. These vases really caught my attention. There's this bright yellow one, and this orange one. I like both of the shapes. And then, there are these vases from the IKEA PS 2026 collection. I don't know if it's just me, but they kinda look like little mice with ears. They're so cute. For decorations, we also found some surprisingly realistic looking artificial plants. I actually think artificial plants are perfect for adding a little bit of greenery to areas of your apartment that don't get enough natural light. And of course, you don't have to worry about accidentally killing them, which is always a plus. After making our way through what felt like the entire store, we finally reached to this massive self-serve furniture area. This is where you pick up all the box furniture before heading to the checkout. And right near the checkout area, we found my favorite section, the circular market. This is where you can find things like discontinued items, showroom pieces, customer returns, and products with minor cosmetic imperfections. All at discounted prices. It's basically like treasure hunting in IKEA. And this is actually where we found these canvas artworks. They have this really cool mid-century modern feel, and for almost half the original price. Such a good find. Then, it's finally time to check out. Now, time for the haul. So these are just the smaller items we brought home with us. I'll put the prices on the screen. First, we got this matching set of deep plate, bowl, and a mug. So we actually prefer eating with deeper plates because we find that it's more versatile, especially for food that has sauces or soups. And I like that everything matches. It already makes the kitchen look more put together. We also got sets of glass food containers. Now, these are super handy when you're organizing your fridge, marinating your food, storing leftovers, or just packing a meal. Next, we got these two stacking fins with lids. So we're planning to use this for sugar and coffee. And of course, we need a set of utensils. So this already comes in a set. So it has a knife, fork, spoon, and dessert spoon. So it already covers all of the basics. So we also picked up some cooking essentials like the saucepan with lid, a sleek thong that is super easy to clean, a chopping board, and a knife, just the basics to get us started. And of course, we can't forget the least exciting but very practical essentials like kitchen towels, a pot holder, and some sponges. And lastly, for the kitchen, we got a few things to keep it organized, like this dish rack that is super easy to clean, and a simple tray for your utensils. Now for decorations, we got 3 artificial plants. So this one, this, and also a couple of pots that goes with them. So this thin one, as well as this white one. I think this is an easy way to add a bit of greenery into your apartment without having to worry about keeping them alive. And we also got this pillow and cushion cover in this really cute polka dot print. I think adding patterns like this can make your apartment feel a bit more playful. And we also got this orange wall clock. I love adding little pops of color into our apartment. Next is my favorite category, lamps. I just think you can never have enough lamps around your space. So they just make everything so much warmer and cozier, especially at night. So we got this PS 2026 portable lamp in red. I just love the design of this, so this came home with us. And then we paired this with this beautiful lamp that is also in red. I think these two are super cute together, especially with the matching colors. And lastly, this orange donut lamp. I think this is probably one of my favorite things that we bought today. I think it would look so cool, especially with the orange clock that we also got. And slowly, I love that we're already figuring out the look of our new home. And that was our first IKEA shopping trip here in Valencia. So we still have a long way to go to make this apartment feels completely finished. We're just taking our time to slowly put everything together. For this trip, we mainly focus on getting all of our kitchen essentials and a few decorations to truly make this space feel more like us. So let me know in the comment what was your favorite IKEA find? And if there's anything you think we absolutely need in our apartment. For more behind-the-scenes content, you can follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Lauralee Shera and at PJ Shera. Thank you again and we'll see you next week.